Okay, so just got front cover off, nothing crazy exciting there. And then this plate comes off, got a couple dimples in here, and all these little springs line up into these little spots here. I haven't checked yet if all the springs are the same. And then we got a couple of notches right here that line up with these like dowel pins here. Okay, and so those were the 12 points that went to that front cover deal there. And then, so this normally, the clutch disc normally would obviously sit into there like so. And really, it's a fucking shame that this thing was having other problems. Because, not that I'm any automatic transmission guru, but those look, I mean, that looks damn near new to me. And so we got clutch, steel, and I'm assuming there's no direction. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Fuck.
Let's see how that tab there is.
Oh, yep, good call. So what way did that go? So that went... Yeah, that is weird how that's offset. So can these go in...
Well, and you'll be able to see in there in the video how you pulled it off, guys.
Right, which, of course, is why wanting to do that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little hot right there.
Yeah.
But, fuck it, otherwise looks really good. Okay, so that fits that way. Does it fit that way? Aha!
Okay.
Wait,
Oh.
no. Never mind. Never mind.
Oh, I see.
It goes always.
Well, but I see this is the way that one is lined up.
Yeah, that's the
So
way that one's
do
lined up.
they line up the same then?
Yeah, and again, we can look at the video, but
Yeah.
I think they all went the same way as far
Yeah,
as
so it would be,
that way.
I think, unless they're offset, but we'll see.
Yeah. Well, and of course, also too, who's to necessarily say this is
Well, yeah.
like the correct way?
There's also that. I'll get you pick it up with.
Yeah. But yeah, fuck. It's just frustrating.
Mm-hmm.
So, would one think that this would just... Haha! Uh-oh. I don't like hearing noises like that. Okay, so that was just thrust washer, it looks like. And I can't tell a direction on that. So I'm going to put that back on there.
But I do see.
Okay, that's not coming out easily.
Well, and so what would that copper be down?
Ooh.
Is that like a, because they...
Oh, I think that's an alignment. Yeah, it's an alignment tab,
Okay.
I think. I think that's okay.
Okay.
So, I think we'll stop here and organize stuff.